surprised it's coming out so easy so far. I'm not going to watch it get stuck now. Trying to be careful as I can. But well, it's not like I'm going to reuse it again anyway. But oh, yeah, it's pretty rusty near the back there. There we go. Camshaft is out.
Yeah, the back's a little Alright guys, so I started, when I pulled this thing out a long time, or I don't know, I guess maybe 3-4 weeks ago, it was always in question whether or not I could reuse it or not, but ultimately, at the end of the day, there was just too much pitting and rust back here, just on the lobes, which is quite unfortunate, but had to have known going into that engine, seeing how it got water damage in it, that something like this would have happened anyway. I mean, ultimately, not every part's going to be reusable, but I mean, the cam, I mean, you can get another cam for like $100, 150 maybe. Well, depending on how much you want to spend actually, but yeah, like if it wasn't for that, this thing would have came up really good actually. The rest of it was coming up pretty good when I was polishing it. I actually went at it with some wet sandpaper 2000 grit to try to clean up a lot of this. Like right down here was going really good, but ultimately you just couldn't get rid of this stuff here. So that's the final update on the LM7 roller camshaft. Just wanted to show you guys there. Not sure if you can see how well you can see it or not, but yeah, the pitting right there is just too far gone. I got a lot of the rust off it though, the surface rust. The vinegar took care of that. But yeah, just like I said, all the pitting there. Yeah, just hadn't it been for that, we probably could have reused this and stabbed her back in and got some new lifters and stuff. But yeah, just thought I'd do this video series just because at the end of the day, you know, people will probably think everything's a total write-off when you're pulling out a junkyard engine, but some stuff might not be as bad as you think what you think it is anyway. So I mean, there's no harm in trying anyway. Depends how much money you want to save, right? So yeah, I think that's about it. All right, we'll catch you later.